everybody, it's Tiffany here and we are back with an all new recipe. Today we're going to be making 2 cheese balls and they are so delicious. We've got one savory, one sweet, and these are perfect appetizers for gatherings and the holidays. Let's get started. For our first recipe, you're going to need 3/4 cup of walnuts, 1½ cups of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 block of cream cheese, 1 green apple, 1 tablespoon of caramel topping, plus some extra for drizzle, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg or pumpkin pie spice. Over medium to high heat, we're gonna add our walnuts and we're gonna toast lightly. We're gonna toast these for about 5 minutes. Toast these until just a little brown. And then let's go ahead and remove this from the heat. In our mixing bowl, we're going to add our cream cheese, our cheddar cheese, nutmeg or pumpkin spice, caramel topping, and then I went ahead and diced up half of that green apple. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. Okay, so we've got it all mixed up. Now we're gonna roll it into one big ball. So for this, I'm gonna be using some saran wrap and I'm just gonna lay out a piece and then we're gonna add that cheese ball right on top. And then you're just gonna take your saran wrap and pull it together. And then we're just gonna form it into a ball. So after your walnuts have cooled, we're gonna go ahead and just chop them up. And if you don't have walnuts, you could always use hazelnuts or pine nuts, or even cashews. And then we're gonna take our cheese ball and unwrap it, and then we're just gonna roll it in the nuts. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle a little extra caramel on top. Oh, it is gorgeous. Wow, that looks so good. Let's give it a taste. All right, should we try the apple or the crackers first? Let's try the apple. It's gonna be so good. It is so good. Pairing it with this extra apple is just, oh, it's so perfect. You can taste the creaminess from the cream cheese. The apple is delicious and the sweetness of the caramel is to die for. I think this would be really good with some white wine as well. So good. Let's try it with the crackers. So with the crackers, it definitely has more of a savory taste to it versus it's very sweet when you add that apple in it. But both are so delicious and I'm sure all your guests are gonna love it too. Yeah. Next, we're gonna be making a garden herb cheese ball. You're gonna need 1 block of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of milk, ½ a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of green onion, finely minced, 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. In here, I have 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, ½ a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic, and ½ a teaspoon of dill. Actually, I think I forgot the black pepper, so let me go add that. Okay, much better. ½ a teaspoon of black pepper. So in our stand mixer, we're gonna add our cream cheese, our cheddar cheese, milk, green onions, W sauce, and all of our seasonings. And then we're just gonna blend all of them together and then mix until well blended. Ooh, look how good this looks, you guys. And then again, we're just gonna roll out that saran wrap. For this cheese ball, I'm just gonna flatten it out and make it a little bit flatter than the other one. All right, guys, so let's taste this. This is so delicious. I bet if you made this a day before the party or if you have guests over, that is gonna taste even better the next day because all of those flavors are gonna sit in there and just really come out. It is so good. This was so easy to make. I just threw it in that one pot and boom, It's done. So easy to make. And if you want to save it for later, just wrap it in the saran wrap. Easy peasy. Subscribe for more recipes.